Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chapter 5, Hudun al-Rasul. Hud alayhi salam, the messenger. وَأَرَادَ اللَّهُ أَن يُرْسِلَ إِلَى عَادٍ رَسُولًا. And Allah wanted أن يُرْسِلَ, to send, إِلَى عَادٍ, to Ad, Rasulan, a messenger. Allah wanted to send a messenger to Ad. Ad is name of that nation. إن الله لا يرضى لعباده الكفر. Definitely, Allah is not pleased. Yeah, Allah does not please with disbelief. Al-kufr, disbelief. لعباده, for his servant. Allah does not please, yeah, does not agree لعباده, for his servant, al-kufr, with disbelief. إن الله لا يحب الفساد في الأرض. And indeed, Allah does not like the corruption, al-fasad, the corruption, fil ard, in the earth, yeah, on the earth. وكان عاد لا يستعملون عقولهم إلا في الأكل والشرب واللهب واللعب وبناء البيوت. وكان عاد, and Ad, it means the people of Ad, لا يستعملون عقولهم, they do not use their mind illa, except fil akl, in eating, washurbi, and drinking, wallahwi, and having fun, walla'ibi, and playing, wabina'il buyut, and building the houses. We can translate it. And Ad always, they were always using their mind for eating and drinking and having fun and playing and building the houses. So like that also we can translate. وَقَدْ فَسَدَتْ عُقُولُهُمْ لِأَنَّهُمْ لَا يَسْتَعْمِلُونَهَا فِي الدِّينِ. وَقَدْ فَسَدَتْ عُقُولُهُمْ, and their mind, عُقُولُهُمْ, their mind has corrupted. Qad means has, we can say. Their mind has corrupted. Fasadat, corrupted. لأنهم, because they لا يستعملونها, they do not use it. في الدين, in religion. الدين means religion. In religion. وكان عاد عقلاء في الدنيا وأغبياء في الدين. وكان عاد, and the people of Ad, the nation Ad, عقلاء, intelligence في الدنيا, in the world. It means about the world. أغبياء, and fools في الدين, in religion, in deen. يعبدون الحجارة ولا يعقلون. They were worshipping the stones. يعبدون, worshipping, الحجارة, the stone, ولا يعقلون, and they were not understanding, not having mind. لا يعقلون, not understanding. فأراد الله أن يرسل إليهم رسولا يهديهم. So Allah wanted أن يرسل, to send a messenger إليهم, to them. Allah wanted to send a messenger to them, yahdihim, who will guide them, who will guide. Hada yahdi means to guide, guide to straight path. Who guide them, it means guide them to straight path, straight way. وأراد الله أن يكون هذا الرسول من أنفسهم. And Allah wanted أن يكون هذا الرسول, Allah wanted this messenger, هذا الرسول, this messenger, أن يكون, to be من أنفسهم, from them, from themselves, not from the sky. Allah will send one messenger, or not from the angels, no, only from the human beings, from the people, and from them only, from that nation. See again, وَأَرَادَ اللَّهُ أَن يَكُونَ هَذَا الرَّسُولُ مِنْ أَنفُسِهِمْ, and Allah wanted this messenger to be from themselves. يعرفونه, they will they recognize him, ويفهمون كلامه, and they understand his words, his talks they can understand. Because if any Arab will be there, and Allah will send one another man from US or any other place, and he cannot speak Arabic or their local language, then it will be difficult. So that's why only from them who speak only their language. So that is وَيَفْهَمُونَ كَلَامَهُ, and يَفْهَمُونَ كَلَامَهُ, and they understand his talks. وَكَانَ هُودٌ ذَلِكَ الرَّسُولُ, and Hud was that messenger, ذَلِكَ الرَّسُولُ, that messenger. وُلِدَ فِي بَيْتٍ شَرِيفٍ, he born in a noble house, in a sharifin, noble, in a noble house. في عاد, in Ad, it means in the people of Ad, in nation Ad. وَنَشَأَ, and he grew up, grew. وَنَشَأَ, and he grew up عَلَى عَقْلٍ وَصَلَاحٍ, عَلَى عَقْلِهِن, عَلَى عَقْلٍ, عَلَى means on, but here we can say with, है ना. He وَنَشَأَ, and he grew up عَلَى عَقْلٍ, with intelligence, وَصَلَاحٍ, and with righteousness. Salahin, righteousness. RIGHTEOUSNESS, righteousness. So this is translation of number 5 completed.